Hi, I'm Edward, and I have a brief important message for you. Please watch this video carefully. You are about to watch a presentation of how to make money online, but there are some points to keep in mind. If you are struggling to keep up with inflation, then this program is designed to help you. The testimonials are real, not fake, unlike some other programs designed to rob you of your money. This amazing program will never go out of style because it's so unique. Now, my friend, let's be honest and face the cold, hard facts. Inflation is rising due to out-of-control government spending. Agreed? We may be facing a recession if we're not in one already. Would you agree on that? Because of inflation, interest rates are rising every few months, so it's getting more expensive to obtain a loan or mortgage. Would you nod yes to that? So, with these facts in mind, doesn't it make sense to do something for yourself and your family by clicking the link below and learn how to earn more? You've seen some of the presentations so far. Please continue watching by clicking the link below.